start with the new method today. This is again one of the most important method as well as the easiest method. It is slightly lengthy but it is the easiest way. So the method name is cross multiplication method. So let's see what we are going to do and how we'll get the solution for a pair of linear equations by the method of cross multiplication method. So whenever the first condition for this method, we should always convert the linear equation into the standard form. So the standard form is what? We should require all the terms on the left hand side. That is 2x plus 3y minus 46 equals to 0. And the second equation is 3x plus 5y minus 74 equals to 0. So what I have done here, I have taken all the terms on the same side. So it should be in the standard form. Now what next? We should write all the coefficients a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2. We should write all the coefficients. A1, that is, see this all 1 are considered for this equation and 2 considered for the second equation. A is the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of y and c is the constant. So if you did not change into the standard form, remember your C1, C2 values come wrong and you get the wrong answer. So let's write all the values of first equation A, B and C. So this is 2, this is 3 and this is minus 46. It's for the second equation it is 3, it is 5 and it is minus 74. So if you remember this value is correct, remember that you have done 30% sum correct. Now what next we are supposed to do? Now remember this. We should write x upon, y upon and constant upon. So I have done equal sign. Now what we'll write here, it is very interesting and very important. So in the denominator of x, basically this is not the denominator, it is a matrix form which we'll discuss in the 11th standard. But forget it. Why I am telling you? Because if you get 0 in the remainder, that is in the denominator, so this value will obtain the answer, because we consider that whenever the 0 is in the denominator, the value is undefined term. But this is not the denominator, it is in the matrix form. Fine. Okay. So now what should we write in the denominator of x? So except the coefficient of x के coefficient नहीं लिखना है. And look at the order will remain same. b1, b2, c1, c2. b1, b2, c1 and c2. Correct? See, b1, b2, c1, c2. In the denominator of x के coefficient नहीं लिखने. So denominator of y, हम y के coefficient नहीं लिखेंगे. The order will continue. c1, c2 and a1, a2. And the same in the constant, we never write constant coefficient. So a1, a2, b1 and b2. See, this is very important stats to do it. Let's write all the values of a1, b1, c and a2, b2, c. So b1, b2, that is 3 and 5 minus 46 minus 74. Then y upon c1, c2 minus 46 minus 74 and a1, a2, that is 2 and 3. You should remember, you should have the gap. Fine. And 1 upon, it's a1, a2 and b1, b2. Now the method name we'll discuss. We'll do the cross multiplication of all the terms. Now how we'll do the cross multiplication is very important. See that I'll do cross multiplication in this manner. First I multiply this term here, then I multiply this term here. Whatever the order you go for the first denominator, the same you have to go for the second and the third. I'll repeat what I'll explain. हमें क्या करना है, हमें इन दोनों को क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तो आप पहले इसको भी कर सकते हो और इसको, दैट मीन्स 3 into 74 और 5 into 46. आप किसी को भी पहले मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो, मगर whatever the order you are going in the denominator of x, the same you have to follow for denominator y and the constant. वही यहाँ और इधर फॉलो करना है. तो क्या करेंगे, 2 ब्रैकेट करेंगे, बीच में माइनस लिखेंगे. फाइन. सो इफ आई गो इन दिस ऑर्डर, 6 5s are 30, 5 4s are 20, 23, 23. So minus 230. And the product of this, 4 3s are 12, 21 plus 1, 22. So that is 222. See, here I'll go with the same, the 2 bracket, and I'll do the minus. As I have first multiplied this to the same I have to do for this. So 4 2s are 8, 7 2s are 14. So minus 148. 6 3s are 18, 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13, 138. Same I have to follow, 2 bracket and minus sign between them. 3 3s are 9 and 5 2s are 10. Let us do the addition subtraction. Remember friends, must do this step. आपको लगेगा कि ये तो easy है, but must do this step. Minus 230 plus 222. It's minus minus plus. Y upon minus 148, again minus minus 138. And 1 upon 9 minus 10. Let us further simplify here. So it would be x upon plus minus minus. So x upon, it's minus 8. Y upon plus minus minus, minus 10. And constant upon minus 1. So here are the 3 terms will obtain like this. Now how to obtain the value of x and y? So now remember, this all are the equal values. So we'll compare x with constant and y with constant. So x upon minus 8 is equals to 1 upon minus 1. So the value of x is minus 8 upon minus 1. I have taken minus 8 to the right hand side. So the value of x I will obtain as 8. The same way, compare y and constant. Y is y upon minus 10 is equals to 1 upon minus 1. Again I will take this y, the denominator on the right hand side. So it is minus 10 upon minus 1. So the sign will cut. So the value of y is equals to 10. So thus the value of x and y is 8 and 10 respectively. Let's see one more question to get the solution of pair of linear equation in two variables by the method of cross multiplication method. So as we discussed earlier, the first step that both the equations should be in the standard form. That means all the terms were required on the same side. So as it is, there is no need to rearrange the terms. So now let us write down the coefficient. That is a1, b1, c1. That these are the coefficient of x, y and constant of equation 1. And a2, b2 and c2. So the first equation, the coefficients are 1. It's minus 3 and minus 3. For the second it is 3. It is minus 9 and it is minus 2. So here you can see that the coefficients we have written. Let us continue by the method, it's called cross multiplication method. So in the denominator of x, we know that we won't write the coefficient of x. It is b1, b2 and c1, c2. The same in the denominator of y, c1, c2, a1, a2. You can see that this order remains same here. Then 1 upon a1, a2 and b1, b2. As it is a constant, so we have written that. Let us substitute all the values. It's b1, b2, minus 3, minus 9, c1, c2, minus 3, minus 2. Y upon c1, c2 and a1, a2. And the constant a1, a2, b1, b2. Remember friends, this is the first is very important. You should write the correct coefficient after converting into the standard form. Then all the values should be written in the order. Now this next, which is the title of, or we can see the name of this method, we'll go for the cross multiplication. As we discussed earlier that we should go into the same order. But remember here it must be the bracket. We should always have a minus sign between the two brackets. Remember friends that here the students sometimes they'll write direct and they'll do the mistake in the sign. But we'll never write this step directly. So 9 3s are 27 plus minus, sorry, minus minus plus, 3 2s are 6, again minus minus plus. Then y upon, again the 2 bracket and the sign is minus. 2 1s are 2, 3 3s are 9. And the constant upon, again the order won't change, remember this. 3 3s are 9 and 9 ones are 9. So here it would be x upon 27 minus 6, then y upon minus 2 plus 9, and 1 upon minus 9 plus 9. So now let's see what remains here in the denominator. So that is x upon 21, y upon 7, and 1 upon 0. So as I discussed earlier also, as it won't consider as a denominator, वरना ये value तो undefined हो जाती. So that is why it is a matrix form. That you will discuss again into the 11th standard. So now compare x and constant. So it is x upon 21 is equals to 1 upon 0. So you can see that x is equals to 21 upon 0. Now this is considered as 0. So that is an undefined. So this won't be possible that will obtain this answer. Fine. The same way when you go for this, y upon 7 is equals to 1 upon 0. So y is equals to 7 upon 0. So again as it is undefined. So this undefined are not considered as the solution. So we can say that it has no solution. So this is the answer. The pair of linear equation has no solution. Let's see one more question. To find out the solutions by using the cross multiplication method. So again the first step that we require the equation into the standard form, which is already given. So now let us write down the coefficient a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2. So the coefficient of x, y and constant for equation 1 is -1, -3 and -7, while for equation 2 is 3, -3 and -15 respectively. Now let us go for the method. It is x upon, we know that we are not supposed to write the coefficient of x. So it is b1, b2, c1, c2. Same for y. It is c1, c2, a1, a2, and for constant a1, a2, b1, b2. Let us substitute the value. b1, b2, it's -3, -3, -7, -15. Then y upon -7, -15, then 1 and 3. Then constant 1 and 3, -3 and -3. Let's go with the method. We'll go for the cross multiplication. Whatever the order will go for the first, the same for the rest of the two. And this product should be written between the brackets and the sign is minus. 7 3s are 21, minus minus plus. 15 3s are 45, again minus minus plus. Y, again the bracket and the sign is minus. 15 1s are 15, plus minus minus. 7 3s are 21, minus 21. And 1 upon. 3 3s are 9, sign is minus, 3 1s are 3. See, the sign is very important. Let us simplify here. It's 21 minus 45. This is y upon minus 15 plus 21 is equals to constant upon minus 9 plus 3. So let us simplify this as it is plus minus minus. So it is minus 24. Y upon again plus minus minus 6 and plus minus 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 6. So now let's compare the x and the constant. So x is x upon minus 24 and the constant is 1 upon minus 6. I take this minus 24 to the right hand side, comes in the numerator. Both the minus cancel and 6 4s are. So the value of x we obtain 4. Now we are comparing y and the constant. So y upon 6 is equals to 1 upon minus 6. So y is equals to 6 upon minus 6. So the value of y comes minus 1. So the solution of this pair of linear equation in two variables are 4 minus 1.